Do you want to learn how to report posts on BlueSky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to BlueSky app or website, and then on here, find a post that you want to report. For example, this one, we will click on these three dots. Click on the last one, which says report post. It will give you a pop-up which says report this post. Why should this post be reviewed? You can select any of them. For example, I'll select the first one, misleading post. You can check a moderation service. They currently have one, which is BlueSky moderation service. Check it. This is the same thing as this BlueSky moderation service here. You're basically reporting this post to the BlueSky moderation service so that they can review it and take action based on it. You can also go to this page by going to settings, and then inside here, go to moderation. And inside the moderation, under the advanced settings, go here, click on this, and it's going to take you over to the BlueSky moderation service page. Now, once you're done, click on here in the text field and type in the additional information. Why do you think this post is a misleading post? Just fill in the information, and once done, click on send report. This field has a 300 character limit, so keep that in mind. Now, instead of all these, maybe it's a copyright violation. If that's the case, click on this view details. It's going to take you over to this page. Scroll down, click on this copyright request form, and inside this, fill out this whole copyright request form. And once you scroll down to this section, click on submit. And that's it. This is how you can report a post on BlueSky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.